Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is kind of special because we should have here the partial solar eclipse. So I hope that I'm saying it correct. Well, but today, as I am a Hamradio channel, today I'm going to work with my Icom 705 and the telescopic vertical antenna. And today I have here a new chair. If you remember and if you watched my live stream, I don't know, maybe a few months ago, there was a little bit problem to sit down to the ground because I didn't have the chair. So I finally got the chair. This is the fishing chair or a portable chair, and finally I will be comfortable sitting down on the ground on the chair. All right, let me set up my radio and the antenna, and I hope we'll be lucky enough to see these partial solar eclipse. And there is also one thing, or maybe the answer of some of the question, how I could be able to capture the partial solar eclipse. Well, I made a very simple solar filter for my phone camera. I made this very simple filter for the solar observation, made of like a silver tape, but is it not a silver tape? It's just a plastic, but with a special silver color on it. So I have used actually 3 layers of this silver tape, and I stuck them on top of each layer. So I have actually 3 layers of this tape, and I will put this tape on top of my camera lenses. So visibility will be beautiful. As you can see, there is no any cloud, just the sun right behind me. Yeah, there is the sun right behind me. Well, here, right there. Yeah, that's our star, the closest star. So today I'm going to focus my camera on this star and see if I will see something. Current time here, or current clock, is 7:00 p.m. and start of the solar eclipse should be at 19:20. So I have actually 20 minutes until this solar eclipse starts. So wish me luck, and let's go back to the radio and set up these things. This is my new chair, guys. Finally I have one. My hoodie is hidden inside in case it become to be cold. I'm using this fishing bag for my radio equipment. So here I have the Chameleon vertical telescopic whip antenna. This is the adjustable coil. Here you can see the telescopic whip, which is very short, which is good in this strong wind. And today I decided to go with this ground spike. The reason why today with the ground spike is that it is very windy, and the second thing is that I have already one tripod in my hands because it is for my camera. So one more tripod would be very complicated to transfer in this case. And inside also it flew away. Okay, so here is the cable with the RF choke and also the spike for fixation of these canopies. This green wire is a canopies. And of course, I'm using this PL259 to BNC connector adapter, because my Icom has BNC. So, and finally this Icom 705, which I'm going to use today until this solar eclipse will start, because the ground is very solid actually. So I was not able to put this spike to the ground. It is really tough today, and therefore I decided to find a rabbit hole, not the rabbit hole, but the hole made by some animal. I think maybe a frog or maybe a mouse or a rat, I don't know, but it is perfect for my antenna spike or the ground spike. So here on top of this spike I have to mount this coil, and on top of it this antenna or telescopic whip. So the final thing is to connect the cable and the canopy. So for my radio, actually I'm not going to use any extra tripod. I will just put this radio on top of this bag. This is my portable setup, HI. The cable. All right, the side will be with the choke connected to the antenna. The choke must be as close as possible to the antenna, not to the transceiver. That is very important. And finally, the canopies. I'm using just one today because I was looking for the most minimalistic setup. Okay, there is a hole for banana socket. Okay, and very important thing, I will keep this wire laying freely down from the antenna, because I found from my experience in my last live streams that the SWR was better when the wire was lying, not be tightened. All right. Antenna has been set. I need to prolong the vertical, and finally I can connect all this stuff to my radio. Look at this chair. Let's try. Beautiful. Amazing. Whew. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I have a battery also. This is the external battery LiPo, so I will use it definitely. I want to have 10 watts power. All is set. Somebody would complain that why I am holding time with setting these all gears up, is because these my videos are watching also a ham radio beginners or people who are interested in ham radio. And maybe it's good to show him how is this going in reality, right? So that is my new chair, the IC-705 cable and this vertical with this connector and counterpoise, and coil itself and the vertical, which is very short, only maybe 1.6 meters. So here on the bottom you can see this little screw, and with the screw actually I am revealing this coil on the bottom, and I'm tuning this antenna. We have 9 minutes until Eclipse starts. And of course, first thing I have to do is to tune the radio on 20 meters. I go to 20 or 240 megahertz, and I'm looking for a good SWR. First, I have to find a noise peak. Yep, here is the noise peak and SWR check. Very high, 1916, so 4 minutes until this Eclipse starts. Yep, it seems that this adapter is okay. Let me try this again. Okay, so the problem is in the adapter. It was not properly screwed on. Okay, we are there. Seems that I managed I managed the SWR on the radio. Hello, is the frequency in use? Okay, beautiful. We have 1.3 or 1.2, 1.3. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. 4 X-ray 5 Lima Lima Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. How do you copy?
Roger, roger. Nice to hear. Thank you very much. For answer for my call, the signal is 5 by 3.
Okay, thank you for 5 by 3. You are also 5 by 3. You are also 5 by 3. I'm running 10 watts and the vertical antenna QSL. Roger, roger. 73 to you, my friend, over.
Subscriber, wish you good luck with the exit. Have a nice day. Good luck, Shalom.
Just show the bloody the bloody Eclipse. Okay, let me show you my filter. So this is my very special filter made of silver tape, 3 layers on it, and I'm going to put this little thing on my lenses here. We are going to observe the solar eclipse. All right, do we see anything? Keep in mind, guys, that this is just a partial eclipse, so we should see maybe a half of the sun in its best. Is that better? That is a possibility that we will lose the sight because of the horizon, but you can clearly see the moon in front of the sun. Hello CQ, 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 CQ 20 meters. I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ.
OK7 David Marie Otakar.
OK7 Delta Mike Oscar. Zdravím ťa, pekný večer, 59 u mňa.
Ano, ty u mě 57, 56, 56, Roger.
Áno, ďakujem pekne za 56, 57, u mňa si 59, 59 a idem len 10 W. 10 W, malá vertikálna anténa. Takže ďakujem za spojenie, sedmička, trojka.
POK 7DMO 73, ahoj.
Beautiful, beautiful view. You can see the shine still there.
5x9, very strong signal, over.
Yankee Vassell, also you have a very, very strong signal, my friend. 59 plus 10.
Okay, guys. So, I think it is over. It is beautiful to see that solar eclipse, even if a very, very partial because of the reach. So, guys, I'm going to put all these things down to my bag, and where is the antenna? Yeah, it is right there. There is the antenna, the vertical Chameleon, and my radio and this new chair. So I have finally a new chair, guys, for my portable activities. So I hope that you enjoyed, guys. I wish you 73 very good evening or good morning wherever you are, and hope to see you in some of my videos or even the live streams. 7-3, enjoy the day, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe to the channel. 7-3, thanks for watching.